Hello everyone, in today's video we will fix the Kindle Paperwhite stuck on white screen. How to fix the blank or black screen. So to do, you can simple firstly perform a soft restart, means soft reset. So to hold the power button for up to 40 seconds or until the device will be restart. You may see a flicker or reboot. Ignore this power window and keep holding it. And once it will start restarting, you can simply remove your hands from it. Okay? The next step is to charge the device properly. So drained battery can cause a blank or white screen. Plug the Kindle into a power source using the original USB-C cable and a reliable charger that can provide a power up to 5 volt at least 1 ampere, and let the charge for at least 30 minutes and then try after that again try to soft reset. So to charge it, you can simply plug the USB Type-C cable into the Type-C port of your Kindle, and then after you will see here the light is turns on. It means your device is charging. Okay. The next step is to you can simple update and reinstall the firmware. A corrupted software firmware can freeze the screen. So in that case, you can simple open the settings if it turns on. If not, so then you can simple install it in your laptop or PC, and after that the file manager is open of your Kindle, where you can simple download or paste the new version of the firmware. To do, you can simple open Amazon website. Also, you can type on your browser Kindle firmware download. Then open the official website where you can firstly verify your version or the release. Then download the software update. After that, once it will download, you can simple save it to your downloads. Then after, you can connect your Kindle to your laptop using the Type-C cable and then open its file manager. Then go to system settings, and then once the system settings will be open, here you can simple paste the latest firmware version. After that, you can again try to soft reset your device again, and then you will find that your device will be turned on. Wait, it will loading. Once the loading will be completed, you can simple paste the latest download version. After that, if still you are facing the issue, so it means there may be a hardware issue. In that case, you can simple contact the customer support for the further information. Because the screen remains white or black after the above steps, it means there is an internal problem in the screen or the damage. Then you can simple contact the customer support and ask for a warranty if your device is in a warranty. Okay, goodbye.